right, this time on Jill of All Trades, we're talking about what you can do with household vinegar to clean some really tough stuff. This was actually from a viewer who asked me, can you get that burned on grease off of a cookie sheet? I actually borrowed a couple of her cookie sheets to do it, and I have been soaking this one, actually both of them, overnight in just basic white vinegar that you get at the grocery store. You won't believe how easy the grease is coming off this now. They tried everything to scrub this off. Now that this has been soaking for several hours, you can actually just scrape it off with your fingernail. It's just coming off in flakes. This is an aluminum pan. This one is steel. This one, it's not working. I think this pan probably has some sort of non-stick coating on it. And maybe that is what is stained. So far I have not been able to get the grease off of that one, but I'm going to show you now. I'm going to scrub this, and I'll show you how easily that's going to come off. Look how easily that is coming off. I mean, these people tried everything to get this clean, and all you have to do is soak it in vinegar, maybe for a few hours. You could put this in your kitchen sink, in one of those rubber tubs, a storage tub. You could put it in maybe even your bathtub and just cover it up with vinegar and just let it sit. Is that amazing? That is amazing. Another place where vinegar comes in really handy is in the bathroom. We have well water, and it has a lot of minerals in it. We get mineral scale inside the toilet, and then that builds up and it tends to stain, and you can see that's in there. So the easiest way to get that out for me, and using an all-natural product, is vinegar. I've used bleach. Bleach will actually whiten it so it looks better, but it doesn't take it away, and so it just gets stained again really quickly. So what I do is I flush the toilet and wait for it to empty, and then as it's filling, I put in about half a gallon, and then I'm gonna let it sit, maybe a couple hours. Sometimes I let it sit overnight. Looks pretty good. That's how to get rid of some tough stains on Jill of All Trades.
Jill, that was amazing to me. That one pan I have a pan just like that has those stains on it that I can't get off.
I know. Okay, so I do want to show you. This is the one that I could not get clean. This one has like a non-stick coating on it, and that is so stained, and I tried multiple ways to get that clean. I could not. But this, I mean, look at that.
Ooh. Look at that. Ooh.
That is the one.
Oh.
It was stained on both sides.
Oh,
Am I blinding you a little bit?
And Jill, explain to me the bleach versus vinegar. Why is vinegar, what is it more effective at doing in the toilet?
So what happens is the vinegar, that mineral scale is, calcium mineral buildup. And so the vinegar will actually break that down.
Break down the minerals?
Yeah,
Nice.
so bleach doesn't break it down. It bleaches it out, so it looks like it's gone, and then within a day or two it starts to stain again. So the way to really get rid of that is with the vinegar. And when you scrub that out, I just take a handful of paper towels and scrub that out. You can feel it, that it's kind of rough, and then the surface will get smooth, and you can tell that you've got it off.
Nice.
Oh, and vinegar is so cheap too.
I know,
and not bad for the environment.
Big gallon thing is only a couple bucks. So
You getting all this, Ryan?
Oh, I am. I love the vinegar. On my last trip to Costco, which was about a month ago, I feel like now, made sure I picked up a little vinegar.
those big ones, yeah, that's what I get.
If it was Costco, it wasn't a little vinegar. It was a lot of vinegar, all right, man?
Thank you, Jill. That's good stuff.